told myself for the month of November 2018, I was going to make it a goal to become more mentally, spiritually, emotionally, physically stronger. And one of the ways that I've been working on that is by reading. I love to read. I love to read books. But you know, when you're taking care of your children and you have a job and you have other responsibilities, you don't always have a lot of time to read. So I was on Amazon the other day, and I was just, you know, playing around, looking around at some different products, and I saw an ad pop up, and it was like 2 free audiobooks with a trial membership of Audible. Now, Audible is like Amazon's version of they like have an audiobook store, and it's called Audible. And basically, they got so many books that you can listen to, because I'm the kind of person, like, I like to listen to audiobooks when I don't have time to read the actual book. Like, for example, when I'm getting ready in the morning, or if I'm on my break at work, or if I'm in the car driving, if I'm taking a shower, or if I'm cooking, if I'm, you know, laying down in bed at night, I like to listen to audiobooks in the background. Also, the job that I have, sometimes I'm on self-checkouts where I don't really have to interact with anybody unless they need my help. So that's like a perfect time. That's one of the main times I listen to my audiobooks, is when I'm actually at work. Shout out to my supervisor if you're watching this. But like, that's like one of the most, cause I got, like, you know, I'm there for hours, you know, and unless somebody flags me down, need my help, I'm pretty much just standing there, just, you know, watching or looking around. And that's like the perfect time I can listen to my audiobook in my my Bluetooth. Now, I'm saying all that to say that I actually went ahead and, cause like, I used to always see them like advertising for, you know, sign up for Audible 30-day free, and I just used to look at it. But now that I've been more into doing self-help books, like, I've been like looking at so many self-help books, because I just want to be a stronger person, like, all the way around. And like, the things that I've been reading and the reviews and stuff, and like some of the samples, like, you can click on a sample and read a book or listen to it, like this is just so helpful. And it's like so many videos on YouTube as well, like motivational videos, self-help videos, stuff like that. But anyway, I went ahead and broke down and clicked the sign up button. And this video is not sponsored at all. I'll leave a screenshot where I actually did sign up, you know, for my membership. And I'm gonna put some books down in the description box that I plan on. I don't know which one I'm gonna choose yet, but I'm gonna put about 5 books that I've been eyeing, that I really want to listen to and gain some good information from. One of them that I know off the top of my head is, I used to look at this guy's videos in 2015. His name is Noah Elkrief. And I used to look at his videos. I was in a dark place in 2015, and his videos helped so much. And he actually wrote a book, and he made it into an audiobook as well. So I think that's definitely going to be one of the books I'm going to read. There's also another book that I've been hearing so much about. It's called Rich Dad, Poor Dad. That's another one that I want to read. 7 Habits of Highly Influential People, I think that's what it's called. The Power of Now. And there's one more, Think and Grow Rich. So those are some books that I definitely want to read or listen to on audio. I'll put those down in the description box if you're interested in those, or any other book that you want to read. Like, they have so many books on there that you could just listen to in the background, you know, and not have to, like, you know, actually sit down and read the book if you don't actually have time, but you want to read it, but you don't really have the time to read it. But like I said, I'm gonna show you a screenshot of those things if I ain't already put it up there. But I just want to bring that to my subscribers' attention. If y'all are like, if any of y'all out there are like me, I think this would be something that you would really like. And like I said, this Like, Amazon did not contact me and ask me to make a video about this or anything. I just want to put, if I'm learning something or if I'm benefiting from something that I can share with other people, I want to do the same. Now, one thing that I do want to say is Amazon is really good about, because I know sometimes like these different companies, when you sign up for a trial, they make it hard to cancel. Like, you can't find the page you need to be on to cancel your subscription, this and that. Amazon has, I have never had a problem with Amazon, because like, I get Kindle subscriptions every now and then. Like, I'll sign up for Kindle for a few months. Kindle is where you can read books on your, you can read on your phone, your computer. If you got a Kindle application or whatever you got, like a tablet, your phone, you can read books like that. And I've signed up so many times through Kindle, and I've never had a problem canceling, like when I want to cancel it. What you gonna, and then like another thing that I was gonna say is, if you just want to try this, but you know 100% sure you don't want to go through with the subscription, like you want your 2 free books, because this is 2 free books, literally, like 2 free books. You want the 2 books, but you know good and well that you're not gonna want to go and pay the subscription when the 30 days is over. What I always do is, the day that I sign up, I look at the calendar and I count down 4 weeks. So that's 28 days. I always cancel on the 28th day to make sure nothing happens. I'm telling y'all, like I set a reminder in my phone on that 28th day. You know, I go down 4 weeks straight down the row. And I set a reminder, and so once the reminder pops up, like if I feel like, no, I don't want this, or I just wanted it for the trial, I will actually go in, you know, go into your account settings and go to cancel membership. And Amazon has never charged me or given me a hard time about canceling a subscription ever. Actually, they also have it like when you sign up. When I signed up, they sent me like a welcome email, and at the bottom of the email, it actually said like, if you would like to cancel or like change your membership, like it gave you the link that you could just click on in the email. You don't even have to like go to the website and look for it and try to find it, how to cancel your membership or whatever. You just click that email, click that link, and it'll take you right to where you need to cancel your subscription when you get ready to. So I thought I'd just put that out there for those of you who have never tried it before. It's awesome. Like, you can just play it in the background, like, and you can be gaining so much knowledge. Like, I done got to the point where I don't watch the news on TV. I don't watch much TV at all. Like, I really don't. It's just like, if I'm looking at something or reading something or exposing myself to something, I want it to be something where it's helping me or it's making me feel, you know, in a happy mood. I get tired of seeing depressing stuff on TV, news, and like, you know, even social media or whatever. Like, I like to see upbuilding stuff and just try to be in the best positive mindsets as I can. So again, I'm going to leave the link down below in the description box. I'll also leave it in the comment box where you can click and check it out just to see if you would like that. Like I say, I like sharing knowledge. So if it's a book that you wanted to read, they got several books by also Black authors, like whatever kind of book, like if y'all like hair books, if you into that, like they got so many books on Audible. Just go to that link that I'm going to provide, click on that, and just check it out. If you don't want to pay the membership, like I said, on your phone, set a reminder to cancel it like 2 days before it kicks in, and you good to go. You get your 2 free books, and you good to go. Like, I'm telling y'all, like, y'all got to get up on this knowledge. Like, knowledge is power and stuff like that. But yeah, I just thought I'd come through and share that with y'all. Like, I feel like I'm on a spiritual journey right now, because I'm just learning so much stuff, and so much stuff is just being open to my eyes. So much stuff that I just never even thought about in the past. But now it's like when you get to certain periods in your life and you go through certain things, you're open to things that you normally wouldn't be. I don't know if that's confusing or not, but somebody out there feel me. My sinuses, I don't have a cold, I have sinuses because the weather, it keeps getting hot and cold. So, but yeah, let me know what you guys think about getting your Audible. Get your Audible, a trial. Get your 2 free books. I'm definitely going. I already signed up a few days ago, and I'm trying to figure out which 2 books that I want to pick. So if you do it, let me know down below what kind of book you might pick or be interested in. If you guys have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.